Three, mic check, this check. Hello everyone, let's do the daily review as fast as possible because we don't have a lot more time. Now I have to. Fuck. Yesterday, to be honest, yesterday we were scheduled lecture 3 and lecture 4. Am I correct? Lecture 3, lecture 4, and we just finished lecture 3, and lecture 4 has halfly done. Oh no, I'm currently wrong. I'm totally wrong what I said right now. May month started, week 1 is ongoing. I need to update all of this. So, just a second. Let me just. I am going to invest just like 2 minutes in this for daily review. The earlier I do, the earlier I can able to focus on my trading database in line. So we are actually tracking the daily review right here. It's the table. I want this to get sorted using the schedule. So we are done. 18. What I'm doing, you probably guys like what the fuck I'm looking at. All right, so this is it. Yesterday we have planned lecture second and lecture third, and lecture fourth was ongoing. Oh, not already. No. May 4? Oh, okay. So, lecture second was done. Lecture third was ongoing, right? So we done this lecture second. So today we are going to lecture third, lecture fourth, and lecture fifth. This is what we're going to. This is the lecture fifth. Lecture third we're going to do. That is halfly done, halfly remaining. Lecture fourth is going to get started. Lecture fifth is going to need to get started. So have I done this task? Can say completely no. Oh, this is not the we are not tracking today's. We are tracking yesterday's data. So halfway, yeah. Lecture 3 is halfway done. 4 is need to get started. So first of all, we'll finish lecture 3, then we'll do the lecture 4. So pretty much I was working on the previous tasks. That's only the problem. So we can do this tomorrow. Done. This is only the fucking daily reviews looks like. Have I done the yesterday's tasks which was scheduled? Yes or no? If yes, awesome. If no, then why? And then pull up the solution, and that's it. That's it, brother. Signing off. This is what the daily review. Signing off.